Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally Casper. Today we're going to make chicken taquitos. I'll see you in a little bit. When it's done, you can put sour cream after frying. When it's a little bit cool, you can put sour cream and the salsa, or you can just pick it up and then dip into the salsa and eat it. Yummy. My friends, these are the ingredients of the chicken taquitos. Shredded chicken. We have cheddar cheese or whatever cheese you like. And then we have the tortilla. You can have the corn or whatever tortilla you like. And of course the guacamole salsa. I'll see you in the next step. Next is warm the tortilla so it will be soft and easy for you to roll. Guys, this is very easy snacks or lunch. So very light lunch. So put the wrap the chicken with the cheese. Just like that, and then use the salsa. Dip it with the salsa. Okay guys, here are the taquitos. The next step is fry them. Guys, next is fry the tortilla. Now you need to insert, after you wrap it, you need to insert a toothpick so you can fry it easier. Just like sewing it. Okay? See the toothpick? Cut it half so it will be not too long. See? So fry it until golden brown. You'll be very proud if you do it yourself. And I'll see you the next step. When it's done, you can put sour cream after frying. When it's a little bit cool, you can put sour cream and the salsa, or you can just pick it up and then dip into the salsa and eat it. Yummy.